Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate, guys. So now I'm gonna boil my water and put the empty container, and then half cup of butter, and then wait for it to melt, guys. Let's wait for it to melt. It's melting. It's half cup of butter, guys. We are melting it. So our butter is melted. So we are going to put 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then we swift it. And then mix it together. We mix. So guys, our chocolate is melted. So now we are going to pour it in here. So guys, now we are making a white chocolate. So now we are boiling our water and then our butter. So we will wait for our butter to melt. Butter is still melting. Still melting. So guys, our butter is melted. So now we are going to put powder sugar and powder milk. Instead of putting cocoa, we put powder milk, guys. Because for dark chocolate, we put cocoa, and then for white chocolate, we put powder milk. And then we mix. We mix it together. We mix. So guys, our chocolate is melted. So we are going to put it in here. I make 2 chocolate and then 2 white chocolate and then 2 dark chocolate. So we are going to put it in a freezer for 1 to 2 hours, guys. We are just going to put it in a cooler, guys, for 1 hour, and then after an hour we will check. If it's not set yet, we will wait for another hour. And then another thing, guys, you can make a powder sugar, and then powder sugar is only sugar and corn flour, and you put it in a blender and then you blend it. So voila, that's our powder sugar. So see you after 1 hour, guys. So yeah, guys, after an hour, let's see if our chocolate voila, here's our chocolate, guys.